Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Hi everybody. My name is Dr. Ahmad Fadli Arham and I'm going to be your lecturer for this particular course which is MGT420. The course name is Principles and Practice of Management level. I believe that all of you are new students for the bachelor degree in respective programs since we only have one group for this semester. So I reckon in our class for this semester will comprise of students from different programs. We have students majoring in human resource management, international business, perhaps marketing, finance, and so which is good. It is a kind of like a new experience for me because previously I only taught MGA243, which is HR students for many semesters. Again, my name is Dr. Ahmad Fadli Arham, and you have my email down there, and then my phone number as well. So because we are going to our first meeting, which is on the 8th of December, right? And so I reckon this video is kind of like very important for me, at least to give you an overview in terms of what are the things that we are going to do throughout the semester. So first thing first, I expect that everybody will join into the WhatsApp group, and then for the first few weeks, everything will be online. So saya akan tunjukkan sebentar lagi in terms of dekat mana yang korang nak ambil all of these materials, because saya risau because all of you are new students. So kalau I don't do this video, saya takut nanti kan ada yang tertinggal, termiss the flight and everything, and so we'll see how it goes. Okay, like I have already informed you in the announcement dalam U Future, U Future is the platform yang kita akan gunakan for throughout the semester, and in terms of the test dalam U Future, kita punya class meeting, kita akan masuk pun daripada untuk ke Google Meet ataupun Webex pun daripada U Future. So semua tu saya akan tunjukkan dalam this video lah. Kan? So first thing first, apa yang korang perlu buat, korang perlu nak dapatkan all of this information. Dekat mana nak dapatkan? So this is the U Future, kan. So bila awak masuk dalam U Future, you go to your group, kan, pergi kepada NBM 1A, pergi kepada group content, kan. So bila awak klik dalam your group content, kan, dekat dalam ni there are two folders that I have created for you. The first one is course materials, and the second one is new slides. Dafa is my name as well, kan. So Dr. Ahmad Fadli Arham. So kalau dekat Melaka ni, because saya mengajar di Melaka full time, kan, diorang panggil, banyak yang panggil saya Dafa. So saya suka, saya banyak nota saya semua, saya just gunakan that short punya abbreviation lah, kan. So in this particular page, group content, course materials, there are four different elements yang awak boleh tengok lah. The first one is the lesson plan, and then is on the description of the assessment, and then the course info. Yang tadi saya tunjukkan tadi adalah the course info, and then proposed question for individuals. Yang ini semua wajib download. If you don't have this, awak tak review benda ni daripada awal, saya percaya it's going to be very difficult for you to understand what are the things that we are going to do. And so we go into the course info first, and let us download. So bila awak download, awak akan dapat information yang sama. The course info, awak boleh tengok course learning outcomes, awak boleh baca sendiri. And then here, because we are using a new textbook, all the content, all the material, semuanya baru. So all of the videos that I have created for last semester, kan, I need to make a new video lah for each of the chapter. Kan, so tak boleh nak pakai video lama, kan. So but that's fine, and because we are just being informed about these changes last Friday, so you need to give me some time as well for me to develop, to create a new video lecture for each of these chapter lah, kan. So daripada course info ni awak boleh tengok lah, awak boleh baca in terms of what are the content or topics that we are going to discuss. So this is the first thing yang awak perlu ambil. And then this is the new textbook. Saya masukkan juga gambar textbook ni kan yang awak boleh dapatkan. Nanti saya akan bagi link macam mana korang boleh beli buku teks untuk contemporary management, the new textbook, and everybody wajib untuk beli buku ni secara online daripada link yang saya berikan, because semestinya kita akan guna pakai that ebook. And all of the questions akan kita extract daripada ebook, dan kita tak gunakan buku teks yang lama kan. So buku teks yang baru ni dia cuma jual secara online, secara ebook, so everybody has to get one lah. Nanti saya akan bagikan link dia bila semua orang dah masuk dalam kita punya group WhatsApp. Okay, the second one, we go into the description of assessment. Alright, this is the PDF version, the description of the assessment. Kalau kita tengok kan, assessment kali ni dia agak berbeza sedikit. Kita cuma ada satu saja test, which is 30%. And then kita ada individual assignment, kita ada dua. And then kita ada group assignment. Last semester kita tak ada group assignment. So for this semester dia nak buat balik group assignment, which is good. And because through group assignments, kita boleh integrate, kita boleh work together in a group, kita boleh develop kita punya communication. Kan? Saya percaya mungkin akan ada yang tak selesa nak kena combine different groups ataupun different student from different programs into the group in order for you to complete this group assignment. Tapi dalam kelas saya, please, everybody needs to be positive kan. Kita sentiasa kena lihat sesuatu benda itu daripada sudut yang positif. Maybe it is a good experience for you to have students from different backgrounds kan. Ada pelajar HR, marketing, international business in one particular group kan, so that you can learn on how to work together. Because when we become a manager in the future, we cannot choose different types of manager that we love to work with unless you are the owner of the company. Kalau kita CEO dan sebagainya, that is a different story lah. But for majority of us who are still working in a different organization, sometimes we cannot choose the people that we are going to work with. But the work must be done. The work must be delivered. So take it as a challenge. Kan? So in terms of the test, kita dah identify chapters yang kita akan masuk. Nanti pun saya akan ada mungkin sedikit perubahan sedikit. Nanti awak boleh baca, tengok in terms of the test, and then in terms of the format of the test. Dalam ni semua dia dah tulis. And make sure that you download this document. And then dia ada penerangan juga pasal individual assignment 1, famous contemporary leader kan. And then dia punya description. Yang ni pun as we go along nanti saya akan explain. And you don't have to worry about the submission of the assignment first. Itu semua tak perlu risau. As long as you download, then you baca dulu. And then individual assignment tu kita akan hantar at the end of the semester, reflection essay yang mana awak akan identify, awak akan explain lah what do you feel about this course. You can give your opinion, suggestions and what not. Yang untuk individual assignment 1 ni, you pick one leader and then kita try to describe. Yang paling senang sekali kita punya supervisor lah kan, ataupun kita punya idol yang kita rasa mentor kita yang selalu kita refer kalau kita ada nak dapatkan pandangan dan sebagainya. And then for the group project for the group project, you need to work in a group of 4. And then you need to analyze principal challenges for management in global environment. Students are required to write a report which relates to the title given based on their observation of COVID-19. And expectation of this assessment is to relate the course concepts to real-world examples. So maybe perhaps you can pick one company and look at the impact of COVID-19 into their management. What happened? Dia downsize ke, and that affect in terms of dia punya sales and profits, apa yang dia buat, macam mana dia pick up daripada dia jatuh, and then macam mana dia bangun semula. So those are the things. Kita tak nak terlalu concentrate sangat on the areas ataupun specific topic yang korang kena buat, because we believe that through this group project, you guys can work together to identify an issue that you want to focus on for this particular group project lah. But anyway, anyhow, as we go along, saya akan terangkan secara lebih detail. Okay, enough about that. And then we want to look at the lesson plan. Okay, lesson plan. Yang ini pun sangat penting. Sebab apa? Sebab dalam lesson plan ni, Dalam lesson plan ni saya dah identify by week apa yang kita akan buat, kan. Apa yang kita akan buat dalam for this particular course lah. For example, kita akan tengok kan minggu yang pertama introduction to course, introduction to you future, announcement, join group WhatsApp, I discuss, ta'ruf session which we will begin starting from tomorrow, group content korang kena download semua sekali, and then beginning from next week baru saya akan upload saya punya first chapter dalam bentuk YouTube ataupun saya akan masukkan dalam you future, yang awak boleh access dan tengoklah chapter by chapter. And then yang ni sangat penting sebab apa? Sebab dalam ni saya dah identify in terms of apa yang kita perlu buat. Yang merah ni adalah for the group project, formation of the group project. By week 3 saya tahu kita dah ada group. And then you guys can start to work on identifying a particular company for your group project. And then yang kuning ni adalah kita punya online class, apa yang kita nak buat, kan, revise chapter, kita punya method sama ada Google Meet ataupun Webex. And then cuti pertengahan semester pun saya letak dalam tu. And then kita akan ada dekat sini. Kalau kita tengok dekat sini, bulan 12 nanti baru kita start submit kita punya first individual assignment. Meaning to say that after we have covered at least chapter on leadership tu, baru korang akan submit korang punya assignment. Saya bagi korang at least 2 minggu untuk korang focus on your first assignment lah. And then kita ada test online. Saya suggest dalam minggu yang ini 10/1, 4/1 sampai 10/1, somewhere around that week. And then kita punya Google Meet, and then submission of individual assignment tu, and then submission of the group report. Yang ni pun nak kena merahkan sebenarnya. So yang ni pun sangat-sangat penting lah, kan. Apa lagi nak tengok? Alright. And then dalam kita punya dekat dalam tu tadi dia ada satu area yang mana pasal I discuss, kan. Yang I discuss ni this is the tab where you can download each of the slide. Kalau kita tengok balik tadi on the course materials, kan. Sekarang ni dia ada satu lagi folder yang saya letakkan slides lah, kan. Yang ni slides, kan. New slide saya tak letak banyak lagi. Saya baru ada 3 ataupun 3 konten baru. Konten ini mengikut kepada turutan syllabus konten. So saya ikut sebab chapter dalam buku teks tu dia tak ikut kita punya syllabus konten. So saya kena ikut dia supaya korang tak confuse lah. So konten ni meaning that content 1 dalam syllabus konten, content 2, content 3, tapi chapter dia mungkin chapter yang tak mengikut turutan tu dalam buku teks. So yang ni saya dah susun mengikut konten dalam syllabus lah supaya awak tak confuse. So yang ini pun penting untuk awak download, kan. Dia punya, because nanti saya akan buat video-video pendek berkaitan dengan each of these chapter yang mana saya akan masukkan dalam saya punya YouTube ataupun dalam YouFuture jugalah. And then the last one, kan, yang saya nak kena tunjukkan hari ni adalah I discuss. Starting from tomorrow, kan, every week kita akan ada I discuss me discussion yang kita nak kena masukkan untuk awak punya group, kan. So dekat sini nanti kita akan buat kita punya discussion for each of the chapter lah. Contohnya macam apa yang kita nak discuss minggu yang pertama dan sebagainya, kan. So dekat dalam ni nanti everybody needs to contribute lah. But anyway, anyhow, this is just a simple video yang saya cuba buatkan untuk bantu anda semua. Make sure that you are going to use this platform, YouFuture, untuk dapatkan semua update berkaitan dengan kita punya kelas. And then we have created our group WhatsApp, kan. And then if you have any question, and maybe you can ask through that group WhatsApp me channel, and I will provide you with the link in order for you to buy this textbook for this particular course. So that's all from me. I wish you all the best. I'm looking forward to have a class with all of you, sama ada secara maya ke, and of course it's going to be online, and for this semester insyaallah, and but anyway, anyhow, I wish you all the best, and so just text me if you have any question. Peace out. Assalamualaikum.